Hey, what up, YouTube? Alright, the topic of today's video, or little vlog, whatever I'm gonna call it, I don't know yet, but it's gonna be about why black people can say nigga and other people can't. Alright, particularly people of other races. Alright, and I'm making this video because I've been hearing about something about some black guy cranked his car and scared somebody's children, and that person called the other black person a nigga. Well, that person called the black dude a nigga, right? Okay, now the topic I'm gonna talk about is how younger kids are starting to think that it's okay to use that word as the same meaning as brother or dude. You know what I'm saying? As if the term for right now, for the sake of this video, I'm going to say the N word. All right. I usually say the whole word just like I just said in the beginning, but okay. Okay, so it seems like people are starting to think that the N word can be somehow, what's the word I'm looking for? Substituted for the word brother or something, as if it has the same meaning, and it doesn't. Now, the reason why I'm saying what I'm saying about black people can say the N word and other people can't, right? The reason why I'm making this video, because it's like, first I'm gonna put it in the eyes of people who aren't black. Okay, they don't see why. You know what I'm saying? We can just walk around saying it to each other and then get mad when somebody else says it to us. You see what I'm saying? All right. So when from their perspective, it looks like we just tripping, right? All right. Now I'm gonna break it down. The reason why it's okay for other black people to say the N word and other people can't, right, is because the N word is tied specifically to our history here in America. All right. Now I'm gonna take it a little deeper than that. Okay. My ancestors here in America suffered slavery, suffered being murdered, suffered being raped, and a whole lot of other things that went on during slavery, right? So that word is tied to that struggle and all of that. That's my heritage, so to say, right? So since that's my heritage, me using that word, that's my claim to that heritage and that history. Okay? Another person saying that is like they are claiming that heritage, that history, and that struggle when they can't possibly claim that. You see what I'm saying? In a way, they just turning around and spitting right in the face of, you know, what my people have been through. So that is why it's okay for black people to say the N word and other people not. It's not exchangeable with dude. It's not exchangeable with brother. It's strictly dealing with our own history here in America. Okay, so what makes it okay for one black person to say the N word to another is because of the shared history between the two of them. Okay? That's why it's okay for one black person to say the N word to another, but another race can't say it to a black person. All right. That's why it's okay for people of the black race in America to say the N word and other people can't say it without it being offensive. Okay. As far as, for today's generation, and when I say today's generation, I mean kids going into high school and some of them coming out now are fine with every race saying the N word. To them, it's just a word now. You know what I'm saying? Just like dude, or just like, you know what I mean? What up? Slang. It's just a slang word now to them. But I'm tired of every time something happens where somebody say nigga. Well, I was supposed to say the N word, but hey, there you go. But anyway, every time something like that happens, big news story comes out, then all of a sudden, all the black people mad, then everybody else like, well, why are the black people mad about that? As much as rappers say it, as much as this and that say it. There you go. I just broke it down why black people get mad about the word, right? So there we go. Now I don't know if that's gonna clear up anything, but I now the purpose of this channel is not to bring about a hateful vibe towards any kind of thing, or, you know what I'm saying, draw people farther apart. All right. But I don't know. Somehow I feel as though I feel obligated somehow to like explain things from a black perspective, I guess. Things that to me matter, I should say. And it matters because it's how everybody else is perceiving blackness in America to me, you know. I feel as though people of the black race in America don't even understand the concept of using the word nigga. I think some black people feel like it's brother, like, you know what I'm saying, as if that word is exchangeable. I was having a debate with somebody the other day, and they were saying that if another race can't say it, then we shouldn't say it either. You know what I'm saying? But you know, that might be your another person's take on that. As far as I'm concerned, I feel as though we can say it just because that ties us directly to our heritage, and it also represents the struggles that came where we come from. You see what I'm saying? Here in America. It's not degrading, so to say, anymore between us because we know that our people survived that, what they were put through. Now, another person using that word is like them saying that their people went through that. You know what I'm saying? That's how I take it anyway. If you're not black, you know, and you saying that word. Now when I say black, let me be clear about this. When I say black, I do mean some of the of Latin people who are of African descent, because here in the Americas, they went through the same thing we did here in North America. They went through the same thing, and some of those their ancestors fought for their freedom and gained it. All right, so a lot of people might not know that, but yeah. So I do feel, you know, Latinos who are of the black descent do have the right to say the word. And I feel like, you know, if you're not of that descent, then you shouldn't say it. Period. If you don't know, if your ancestors were clearly not in that struggle, you know what I'm saying? Clearly not. All right. Now I ain't gonna go into how somebody looks or whatever. Only you know what you are and what you represent. All right. But yeah, I just thought that I would give my take on that and my opinion on that. I feel as though people often let our emotions speak before we actually logically think about anything. All right. And it's important to know when your emotions are guiding your actions instead of you taking your time to sit down and process. All right. And I think a lot of times here when racial things happen in America, black people let their emotions run rampant and do all kinds of dumb things, you know what I mean? That really won't change a thing at all. All right. And so just a little food for thought, man. I guess, you know. But that's what today's video is about. I don't know when I'm going to get back on track with the videos I'm supposed to be doing because I keep slacking off on them. But just, you know, leave a comment, like the video if you like the topic that I talked about, and I would love to see you guys discuss what you think in the comment section. You know. All right.